guys, it's me, Elizabeth Lauren, and welcome to my channel. So today's video is on this really pretty glitterful fall inspired look, and it was so much fun to do and very colorful and glitterful and just, I don't know, like this look is probably my favorite look I've ever done. And yeah, if you'd like to see how I did this look, then just keep watching. So I already have my brows, foundation, highlight, bronzer, all that good stuff on. And now the only thing I have to do is move my bangs because they're getting on my nerves. I love my bangs and I'm glad that I cut them again. But honestly, when doing makeup looks, it just gets in the way. And yeah, but if you're having a bad brow day like today, you know, you can just cover all your brow hairs up and nobody will even know. So that's a plus. But yeah, I'm wearing a sweater today. It's kind of like a turtleneck, but I had it like folded down, but there's like foundation all over the collar, so it's going back as a turtleneck. We're just not gonna talk about that, but it's annoying because it's like really hot right now. Like I swear last week it was freezing and this week it's like really, really hot. It doesn't even feel like fall anymore, and I'm kind of like over it. So yeah, actually I'm not, because now I can wear like cute fall clothes that aren't like gonna make me freeze to death in North Dakota. But alright, let's just jump into the tutorial. I'm getting off topic. So I'm first going to be using my Morphe 35O palette. I love this palette so much, and honestly, I find myself reaching for it a lot in the fall because it's just so pretty. Like these colors. And the first shade we're going to go with is this very pretty transition shade. Well, that's what we're going to use it for. But it's like a really pretty warm tone brown shade, and I'm going to be using my number 12 BH Cosmetics brush. It's a very large fluffy brush, and it's just a really good brush to blend out a shade and make it like nice and blended. And it's huge, so you really don't even have to do that much blending. Like it already does the work for you. So I love, definitely recommend. Now I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I really love this palette because it's not only really affordable, but the colors are so pretty, and hopefully my camera doesn't blur when I'm showing you these colors, but they're so pretty. I love these colors. So I'm just going to be taking my Morphe crease brush. It's a smaller It's a smaller crease brush, and it's more compact and stiff, so it really helps when you blend in like small places like my inner corner, which we're about to do. So I don't have a olive green color, unfortunately, but I'm going to try and make that color. And I'm going to be taking two greens. I'm going to be taking this green, which is a very pretty lime green, and this dark green, and kind of mixing those together. Going back in with my Morphe palette, I'm going to take this greenish brown shade and try to make that olive green color. And I'm going to use the same BH Cosmetics number 12 brush and lightly add this color. I don't want to go too much. And adding this color kind of mutes the green a little bit and makes it more olive toned, but there's still some green peeking through, which is what you want. Going back in with my BH Cosmetics palette, I'm going to take this yellow. It's a mustardy yellow shade, and I'm going to put this on the outer corner of my crease. And I'm using another Morphe brush. This one is more of a fluffier crease brush, and I'm just going to place that yellow on top of my crease in the outer portion of my eye. And I'm just blending it in with the olive green color and blending it out as well. Now I'm going to take this orangey shade and the same little Morphe brush that I used before, the smaller one, not the fluffier one. And I'm just going to place the orange a little bit lower onto the yellow, but I'm still going to have the yellow peeking through on the top part. So the yellow is going to be up here, and then the orange is going to be right in the middle, connecting with the green. Now I'm just going to take the same small Morphe brush and go over the yellow again to kind of make it a little more pigmented and to blend out the orange and yellow. Now going in with my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to take a red shade, and I'm going to use this shade right here. I can't remember the name of it. It's either Jack's or Hunt's, but I will put it on the screen somewhere because I can't remember. And I'm going to just take that small Morphe brush again, and we're going to add this on the outer portion of my lid and a little bit into my crease. Then I'm just going to blend it out with my BH Cosmetics number 12 brush and blend out that red a little bit more into the orange. And then I'm going to take this reddish brown shade, again the name will be somewhere on the screen, and I'm going to add that on top of the red. This color I'm just adding a very, very tiny amount just to darken up that red shade a little bit more. And I'm also going to take this dark reddish brown shade to go into my crease, but I'm not going to cover up the colors that I put down. I'm just focusing this really close to the lid. Now I'm just going to blend everything out with my Morphe crease brush, the fluffier one. I'm first going in with this brush to blend out this dark shade a little bit better. Then I'm just adding in that yellow again on top and mixing those shades together. Okay, and now that green shade again. This headband is literally giving me a headache. I'm going to take my Ulta brush. It's just a flat Ulta brush. I use this all the time for my lower lash line. And I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm actually going to take this orangey shade up top and put it on my lower lash line. Now with this small Morphe packing brush, I'm just going to blend out the lower lash line. Now I'm just going to add that same dark brown reddish shade and add it to the outer portion of my lower lash line. So like right in here. Now I'm going to take that same brown shade and the same brush and just add a little bit on the outer corner of my lid, because I decided last minute that I'm going to do like a half cut crease look. So I'm just taking this and patting it on my lid. Doesn't have to be perfect because I'm going to go in with the Stila eyeshadow in a second and you'll see how awesome it is. So I'm just kind of patting down the dark brownish red shade. Okay, now I'm just going in with my Stila liquid glitter eyeshadow and it's in the shade Kitten Karma. And instead of using like the wand like I normally do, because you can literally just swipe, if it'll open, you can literally just swipe this product onto your eye. I'm actually going to take that packing brush and to add a little bit at a time. And I take that packing brush to kind of blend it out a little bit better so that it blends more smoothly with the brownish red shade. Okay, now I'm going in with this shade called Beam. It's the only shade I know from this palette because I use it like all the time. And I'm going to use a bullet brush from Morphe and just add the shade Beam onto my inner corner to brighten up the inner corner a little bit. And then I'm just taking that Beam shade again with a crease brush and adding it onto my brow bone. Okay, so it wouldn't be a fall glitterful look if we didn't add glitter, and these first three are from Walmart. They are crafting glitter, so I do not recommend using them because I'm cheap. I don't have any cosmetic glitter, so this is all I have. But if you do use this, it can severely damage your eye and cut your eye, and it's not fun. Don't recommend it. Don't get it in your eye if you do use this, but honestly, just don't use it. Get some cosmetic glitter because I'm doing this at my own risk as well. And I'm just using a gold glitter, a little bit of the green, and then some orange. And I'm also going to be using the NYX glitter. This is a face and body glitter and it's in 07. That's all it says, but it's like a white shimmery glitter and it has like bits of green and gold in it, and it's so pretty. So we're going to be using those, and then I'm going to be using just a regular adhesive. This is like lash glue, so yeah, I'm nervous because I already love how this looks right now and I don't want to mess it up, and I'm kind of nervous about it, but we're gonna go for it. I just zoomed y'all in a little bit more. Hopefully my camera doesn't make me go blurry.
It just did.
And I'm placing it, I'm trying to do this where y'all can see it and not cover my face, but I'm placing it in the inner corner basically. And I kind of have to tilt my head, I'm sorry, I have to. Then I'm taking my little brush and I'm dumping some glitter into the lid of this NYX glitter. Tap off some of the excess glitter, and then I'm just going to add the glitter. Okay, so now I'm going to add a little bit more glue, and then I'm going to go in with some gold and orange. Basically, I'm just putting it as if I were, you know, putting color on my lower lash line. I'm not trying to go too far down with the glitter, but I am trying to pack as much glitter as I can. I'm going to take some of the gold first and just tapping it down. Try not to swipe, just tap, because if you swipe you're going to get glitter in your eye, and we do not want that. Now I'm just taking some of the orange and placing it on there as well, and kind of like layering the glitters. And it looks so cool right now. So I decided I'm not going to use the green glitter after all, because there's already green in the white. So I'm just going to add some more glue and do the other eye. This look turned out so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I added the glitter. I'm going to do my lashes, mascara, and a lip color off camera, and I will be right back. Alright loves, and this is the completed Glitterful fall inspired look. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. It would seriously make my day. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media to see what I'm doing when I'm not on YouTube, and especially my beauty Instagram, because I'm posting some looks this month. This is one of them, somewhere on the screen. So I really hope y'all enjoyed this video again, and thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye loves!